everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 86 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this Beauty Benefits Silky Bronzer that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. So yesterday I tried out the Beauty Benefits lip gloss and it definitely seems like Beauty Benefits is a knockoff of Benefit. But this looks like it could be a potentially good bronzer. It says it's an oil-free formula, lightweight. It's in the shade Cinnamon. Most dollar store makeup products come with little instructions on how to use the makeup, but there are no instructions on this. Alright, so we have a pretty big pan of bronzer here. Let's see how it feels. Oh, it's a little bit metallic, shiny. Let's see how it swatches. There does seem to be a good amount of pigment, and it's definitely shiny. I almost feel like this could be a pretty eyeshadow. But so far it feels pretty smooth and pigmented. A lot of people don't like shiny bronzers though. I don't personally mind them, but let's see how this looks on the skin. Wow, that went on with a lot of pigment, but it actually blended out really nicely. Let's go in with a little bit more. Wow, I'm liking this actually. Wow, that is actually looking really nice. It's a nice color, very bronze, and it looks smooth on my skin. Even though it swatches with a lot of shine, once it's on my skin, I'm really not seeing any sort of shine or reflection. Okay, so as I continue to apply it to the parts of my face where I like to have the bronzer, like on my forehead and my nose, I feel like it did start to look splotchy. Like it didn't actually blend in that well once I was using more of a powder brush. And where you start building it up to be a thicker layer, it definitely starts to have that shine. So if I put on kind of a thick amount on my nose, it looked like a shimmery strip on my nose. But because of that, I think this would be a really nice eyeshadow kind of crease shade. So it's definitely not terrible for a dollar store bronzer, and you can get some multi-uses out of it if you wanted to build it up to be a contour, if you wanted to just lightly brush it on for a bronzing effect, if you want to use it as an eyeshadow. So I like that. It comes with a good amount. It just definitely does not blend out as smoothly as the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer that I use pretty much every day, so I'm pretty spoiled by that. But as far as dollar store bronzers go, and even other bronzers that I've tried, this one measures up pretty nicely. It's no butter bronzer, but it is probably, in my opinion, like second tier bronzer. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this and what you think about it. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.